Wrinkled designs? Meet Cricut EasyPress 3. Your crafting fairy godmother. Crafting Chaos and Guesswork. Ever struggled with DIY heat transfer projects, only to end up with peeling designs, uneven heat, and ruined shirts? You're not alone. Traditional irons are unpredictable, and bulky heat presses feel like overkill for simple projects. What if you could combine professional-grade results with beginner-friendly simplicity? Enter the Cricut EasyPress 3, designed to rescue crafters from stress, guesswork, and failed projects. With precision heat control, Bluetooth connectivity, and effortless usability, it turns every design into a masterpiece. Whether you're pressing shirts, totes, or pillows, Cricut ensures flawless results every time without the hassle of trial and error. Searching for perfection. The hunt for a perfect heat press often leads to frustration. Either they're too expensive, too complicated, or just plain unreliable. That's why the Cricut EasyPress 3 is a game changer. It combines the power of a heat press with the convenience of an iron, offering even heat up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 205 degrees Celsius, and a ceramic-coated plate for flawless transfers. Compatible with Infusible Ink and most HTV materials, it's a versatile sidekick for beginners and pros alike. The included 12 by 12 inches mat protects surfaces and keeps projects steady. No more scorched tables or slipping vinyl. The hero emerges. Cricut saves the day. No more burned fabrics or wasted materials. The Cricut EasyPress 3 brings intelligence to heat pressing. With Bluetooth-enabled connectivity, it syncs seamlessly to the Cricut Heat app, which guides you step by step through time and temperature settings. Adjust heat and timer with precision, eliminating guesswork entirely. Its safety features, like the auto-off and insulated base, ensure peace of mind even for multitasking crafters. Plus, the lightweight, portable design lets you take your creative powers on the go, whether you're crafting at home, in a studio, or at a craft fair. Triumph over time and money troubles. Why waste money on expensive outsourcing or settle for unreliable tools that damage your designs? The Cricut EasyPress 3 offers professional-grade heat transfer without the need for costly equipment or services. Its fast heat uptime and even temperature distribution save precious minutes, while the durable design promises long-term reliability. Skip the frustration of peeling designs and enjoy vibrant, lasting results, even after repeated washes. Affordable, portable, and powerful, this heat press pays for itself by transforming your DIY projects into polished, gift-worthy creations. Craft like a pro. Say goodbye to DIY disasters and hello to crafting confidence. The Cricut EasyPress 3 is the ultimate solution for turning inspiration into reality. Whether you're personalizing t-shirts, decorating pillows, or designing tote bags, it delivers flawless results that last. From its intuitive controls to its compatibility with Cricut cutting machines, this device makes professional heat transfer fun, fast, and frustration-free. No more settling for mediocre projects. Elevate your creativity and make every design a masterpiece with Cricut EasyPress 3. Ready to press perfection? Grab yours today and let the crafting magic begin.